Ever wondered, what is the 5-7 rule in woodworking? Here's the surprising part, it's not really about being 5 feet 7 inches tall. The 5-7 rule is an old-school woodshaping technique that can help you create complex curves from simple square stock. And if you want more projects to practice techniques like this, I've linked a woodworking resource below with 16,000 plans, a CAD plan viewer, 150 premium videos, business training, and free custom plan requests. But first, let's see how the 5-7 technique actually works. The 5-7 rule is a traditional method for creating a system of reference lines on square stock. Those lines become a guide for removing material and gradually transforming the block into a controlled curve or other flowing shape. The clever part is that you're not trying to guess the final curve. The layout gives you reference points. As you cut, plane, or carve toward those points, the shape develops in a much more predictable and symmetrical way. This technique is especially useful when a router bit or template isn't the best option. It can be used for complex curves, tapered forms, and shapes that need to flow smoothly in more than one direction. So if you searched for the 5-7 rule thinking it means a furniture height based on a person who is 5 feet 7 inches tall, be careful. That's a different interpretation. The traditional woodworking 5-7 technique is about layout and shaping. And if you want plenty of projects where you can experiment with shaping and traditional woodworking techniques, check out the plan library I mentioned earlier. Now you know what the 5-7 rule in woodworking really means. If you want to explore thousands of woodworking projects, CAD plans, premium videos, and more, use the first link in the description.